This is problem 6 on the Manipulating Vectors with Trigonometry worksheet. We have a wrecking ball hanging from a supporting cable, the thick one, and there's a side cable on the right that's pulling it out and supporting it at an angle of 20 degrees. The three forces on the wrecking ball are gravitational force straight down, the tension in the supporting cable, and the tension in the side cable. What is the angle the main cable makes with the horizontal? What is that angle right there? That's the question. We have two unknowns. We don't know the tension in the main cable, and we want the angle. We're going to need two equations, and we get those from the horizontal and vertical direction. Let's start with a good force diagram. Those are the three forces. We label the angles. Now, first thing we do, we break the 500 Newton tension into its horizontal and vertical components using sine and cosine. The horizontal component is 500 newtons cosine 20 degrees. That's the adjacent side. The vertical component is upwards 500 newtons sine 20, and that's 171. So now we put these components on the diagram. 171, 470, and we can get rid of the 500 Newton vector there. Now, it's easier to see what's going on when you have a good diagram. What we want to get is the horizontal and vertical components of the tension in the main cable. And we know the force is balanced. We know the net force is 0. The ball is just hanging there. So we have the tension in the side cable of 470 newtons to the right. Why isn't it going to the right? Well, it's the other tension. So this guy must be 470 newtons to the left. Let's put that on the diagram. They have to balance. Upwards, in the vertical direction, we have this guy providing a little bit, 171 newtons upwards. There's 5,000 newtons downward from gravity. This guy's got to be supplying the rest upwards, which is 4,829 newtons. So let's add that to the figure, and we can eliminate the tension vector because it's represented by the 470 to the left and the 4,829 up. That should be crystal clear. 5,000 newtons down, 5,000 newtons up, 470 newtons to the right, 470 newtons to the left. We just got to do some trig to get the components. We want the angle of the main cable above the horizontal. The opposite side is the 4,829, and the adjacent side is the 470, and that's 84 degrees above the negative x-axis. That's the answer to the problem. We can also get the tension with the Pythagorean theorem. It's about 4,850 newtons. That's it.